Right, well, we're out on the plot planting our courgettes.
Yeah, zucchini.
Zucchini is the variety.
And we're talking about watering, aren't we?
Yeah, well, these plants need a lot of water. So when you're planting, one tip is you can actually make a bit of a moat around the plant, really, like so. Sometimes if you've got quite a soil that's particularly compact, you know, it compacts down, and water can just run off. When it rains, it will just kind of act as a bit of a reservoir, it'll just collect the water and it'll direct it to the roots. And also when you're watering, like this, it'll go, oh look at that, it's like a little moat.
It's like sandcastles, isn't it?
And it kind of holds the water just in that place and it'll soak down and get to the roots.
Because the danger isn't if you just do the surface, it doesn't actually get down, does it?
It can run off, you get a lot of wastage, it can come a lot further away from the roots, whereas that will kind of keep it to the root. So that's one tip. And what have you got, Tony?
Yeah, I've got some equipment with me, this sawn off plastic bottle.
Great use of recycling.
And all you need to do with this one is push it in there a little bit, so again we're getting to the roots rather than just the surface. A good little tip is if you get a cane, if you put that in there nice and deep, when it grows obviously you can see where
you can direct the water straight to the
So we're going to do, without topping the head off that courgette there, we'll be very gentle. You can just pop that in there, and every now and then you can top it up and it's going to the roots. I mean, you wanted to, you could put one on either side.
Yeah, you could. And so when all the foliage is grown and you can't see where the bottle is, you direct it to the cane and the water to the cane and it will go straight into the...
And you're getting close to the centre of the plant, aren't you?
Yeah. Gosh, you could do that forever, it's just going to keep going, isn't it?
But there we are, nice little tip.
Yeah.
Help with the watering.
Good. Excellent.
And just one other tip on watering, especially in a polytunnel, always a good idea to water either early in the morning or late in the evening during the summer. Early morning is probably best, and that's just so that you're watering before the heat of the day, so that the sun doesn't just evaporate all the water you've just put on and the plants and the soil get a chance to take it up before it disappears. Also, when you're watering, try and keep it off of the leaves if you can. If it's going to be a very hot day, try and keep the water itself off the leaves. Just focus it on the roots where it's going to do most good. Yeah, it's just not doing very much good up over the top of the crop, and you might encourage diseases inside in a polytunnel. So just focus on the roots, and as I say, water early or late in the day.